and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to present our research today. This is our research topic, robotic process automation for well monitoring and price comparison. I'm Amy, these are our team members.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Eva.
I'm Shelley.
Now let's take a look of our outlines. First of all is introduction, second is literature review, third is methodology, fourth is system display, and the last part is conclusions and suggestions. So before we get started, please let me ask everyone a little question. What's the first thing you do in the morning? Do you check the weather, search the cheaper breakfast, or check the stock market? For most of us, the answer says everything about how deeply automation is moving into our lives, right? So, with the global economic and technological growth, automation has greatly improved business efficiency across industries. Over the past decade, automation has spread across fields like manufacturing, healthcare, finance, education, and e-commerce. And why we conduct this research is because foreign language students usually focus on business, culture, or education, with little exposure to automation. So this research aims to connect language learning with automation and showing how language skills can support the use of technology. Therefore, our research will focus on RPA for weather monitoring and price comparison. Now let's welcome Sophia to introduce the next sections.
Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm going to introduce Chapter 2, Literature Review, and Chapter 3, Methodology. At first, I'd like to briefly talk about what robotic process automation actually is and why it matters so much in automation today. Robotic process automation is a transformative technology that enables organizations to automate repetitive, role-based digital tasks using software bots. To put it simply, RPA tools are like digital workers. They can click buttons, type text, and copy information on the computer screen just like a person would, but much faster and without taking breaks, so that people have more time to do that robots can do. Moving on to Chapter 3, this part focuses on the advantages of RPA and how it can be applied in projects. The two key strengths are efficiency and cost savings. RPA bots can run non-stop and process large amounts of data within seconds, which means companies can save on labor costs while improving productivity and accuracy at the same time. And how to apply it? The first step is to set up the RPA bot to open a browser like Safari or Chrome and enter specific keywords. Then it automatically extracts the relevant information from the web pages and copy the results into an Excel file for analysis. Next, if I will show how these steps are applied in practice using RPA tools, using RPA for weather monitoring and price comparison.
Hello everyone, my name is Eva. I will introduce the execution process of weather monitoring and price comparison. First, let's start with weather monitoring part. We have already designed a program in the UI path, and these two images show the activities we set on UI path. First step, we open the main file, which includes all the activities and instructions we set on UI path. And second step, we click debug. UiPath will automatically execute the commands we have set. And in the end, it will switch to this screen automatically and show the weather of the cities specified in the program. And next is price comparison. These three images show the activities we set on UiPath for price comparison. We use it to compare the prices of medicines. At first, you can see that the lowest price column in Excel is empty. This is the result before running the program. And first step, open the main file. And second step, click debug. UiPath will automatically execute the commands we have set. We just let the computer run by itself. And in the end, you will see the lowest price column filled in automatically. and that's the execution process of the value monitoring and price comparison using UiPath. And next, Shirley will make a conclusion for us.
Hello everyone, I'm Shelley, and now I'm going to talk about Chapter 5, Conclusions and Suggestions. First, in weather monitoring, our study applied RPA to automatically retrieve data from the government open data platforms. By SMS notification, the system provides a real-time monitoring tool. Second, in price comparison, the RPA system automatically collects the product prices from different platforms, and this allows users to make purchasing decisions and quickly compare the prices. As for future suggestions, for weather monitoring, we recommend adding data visualization dashboards and also stronger data security. For price comparison, the system must be more adaptable to changing website structures. At the same time, legal and compliance must be considered. In short, our study demonstrates the strong potential of RPA and also pointing toward AI-driven advancement in the future. This is all of our presentation.
Okay, thank you.